Hi everyone, it is Promise, and guys, look who is here with me. My sister-in-law, Michelle, is here, and we are gonna be doing a video reviewing or like a first impression of Michelle.
Kylie Skin.
Kylie Skin. Everybody's buzzing about this, so I have to do a video on this, guys. Okay, so for the Kylie Skin, guys, let's just show this again. I actually bought this with my own money.
She wasn't paid, no sponsorship.
I wasn't paid, I'm not in
no
the PR, so no buttering up Kylie. Like, this is gonna be our super honest opinion.
We have 6 products here, starting with a foaming face wash, a walnut face scrub, a vanilla milk toner, a face moisturizer hydrant, an eye cream, and the last product is this vitamin C serum.
And this was like $125, and you get this whole set, which I think is a pretty good price, right?
Actually, it's
like $20.
It's very affordable.
Per product.
It's like mid-range, I would say.
And the size is pretty big. Like, look at the size of these.
Pretty substantial. It's very minimal. I'm also into minimal, even down to the font. The sans serif font. I love sans serif fonts. It's just easy to read and understand.
And then we're gonna do the whole step. How many steps is this? Like six
steps. So we are ready. We have our ears on, and we're gonna start off with the first step in Kylie's skincare routine, which is this foaming face wash. Our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra-nourishing kiwi seed oil, packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion.
Makeup. Okay, so I have some makeup on. We have some makeup on.
I have a little bit.
I put like foundation, eyeliner, just to show you guys if it's gonna remove the makeup, like it says. I mean, I saw the video of Kylie Jenner when she was using this foaming cleanser.
I think everyone saw that video.
Yeah. And then she had like foundation on the towels.
Yeah,
so
that was pretty funny.
It didn't really remove.
And she had a filter too, like a whole face filter on it. Okay, skin is wet. So I'm gonna foam it up.
Oh, my brows are all gonna come out now. It's not like this velvety foam like I had at home.
It's not, it doesn't feel that nourishing though, just being honest. It actually feels pretty drying as I'm washing this off. It's always awkward doing skincare videos in a studio because you don't have a bathroom. We just have like these bowls from Dyson. I'm just gonna dunk my whole face in. My skin actually does feel drier. I can feel it.
Yeah, I feel like the makeup did not completely come out.
Oh yeah,
but
you still have makeup around your nose.
Around my nose especially, and then the eyes. So I think it takes off like 80%, which is, you know, fairly good, I guess. But it doesn't take everything off. So you should definitely use a makeup balm or, you know, any type of remover first.
Cleansing balm first.
Like, what's your overall opinion on this cleanser?
Packaging is really nice, but at the end of the day, when it comes to skincare, you don't want to buy the packaging or buy the hype. You want to buy a product that works for you. And maybe my skin is older. The fact that my skin is more dry now, I could see her brand more teenagers.
Definitely, yeah,
so you're gonna have more oily skin. But I still feel like double cleanse and other products are better.
I think it's good, but it's not going to replace any of the cleansers that I'm using now.
No.
I think that's what I would say. Well, next we're going to be using the Walnut Scrub.
The Walnut Scrub. I've heard so much
too much about
this. It's finely milled.
She said it's like really nice powder.
I could see that. Yeah, it's very finely milled. I'm right now using it on my hand. It still doesn't feel like a strong exfoliant for me. But I'm not a huge fan of physical exfoliants. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna try this.
Man, Michelle's going in. I'm kind of nervous.
Oh, it's actually
I don't want micro tears on my skin, guys.
Another reason why I'm not a huge fan of physical exfoliants is you just get the tiny stuff everywhere. It's not as bad as I thought it was, actually. But would I buy this for myself? No, I just think it's a dated formula, physical exfoliants.
I just feel like it's not safe, so I wouldn't recommend people to use this. Yeah, just walnut scrubs are just like a no for me.
Next step we have here is the vanilla milk toner.
Vanilla, okay.
Our gentle alcohol-free facial toner helps replenish the look and feel of your skin. It is formulated with avocado oil, kiwi seed oil, and apple extract to help soothe, tone, and restore natural hydration.
What do you think about fragrance? Because this does have a little bit of like a vanilla, like vanilla scent.
I don't like fragrance in my skincare.
You know, the one that I really like right now is from Fresh Beauty.
Oh,
and
yeah?
their Lotus hydrating cream. It smells so good. So unless it's like
I
a
love
really
fresh.
good fragrance, I don't want it on my skincare. Okay, now my eyeliner's coming off.
So far, this is my favorite product
Just
in the
feel
line.
pretty nice on the skin.
Dude, look at all the makeup.
It's coming off, guys.
That's
I think
crazy.
everything's
Okay.
off now.
And I prefer this over alcohol toners, older dated toners that still sell really well, which never makes sense to me. So this is kind of nice that she is has such a wide reach. So it's actually good that more people are interested in skincare. Next step is the vitamin C serum.
I thought it was in order, but it's not, huh?
Yeah,
in the box.
So after you do your toner, make sure you do the serum and then you do the moisturizer and everything else. I'm pretty picky with my vitamin C too.
Which one have you been using? I use the Claire's one right now.
The one I'm using right now is a dry vitamin C powder by Neogen. Vitamin C can oftentimes be unstable. If you're seeing a brand that's selling vitamin C serum or anything and it's in a clear container, it's probably not going to work because the moment sunlight hits it, it becomes even more unstable and it's not as active. So vitamin C for me, that's why I like the powder because it's the most concentrated.
Nice. I haven't tried it.
It's amazing.
Okay, I'll try it. It's a tad bit sticky, but it's good. It's good.
It's not bad. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it's not the best thing in the world either. Do you want to read it?
Or? The moisturizer. I think a lot of people actually like the moisturizer, so I'm expecting it to be really good. It says, our deeply hydrating skin moisturizer is suitable for all skin types. What's your skin type? We forgot to
Combination
tell
skin.
Mine's definitely combination.
Yeah, oily T-zone.
The formula conditions the skin from soft to touch finish without any excess oil.
Cool. Let's try this. Again, love the packaging. Oh, and you could see a little comes out. I like that.
The pump
So far,
is nice,
I like the pump. The pump is really nice. Has a nice application though.
Yeah, it's nice and thick.
I like it more than the serum for sure.
I do like extra hydration because my skin, even though it's combination, it is more on the drier side.
Yay or nay?
I think it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's definitely the strongest.
Yeah, it is a strong one.
All right, the last product is this eye cream. It's one of those applicators where you can just do it's curved and so you can go in and it applies to the contours. But I'm not going to do that. Ring finger because they're delicate for your delicate under eyes. Do you feel like this mintiness or this?
Yeah, there is a light bit of mintiness, like a coolness.
I don't know if that's the caffeine or the
there is caffeine in this, which is kind of interesting.
But if you have sensitive skin, for sure you're going to feel this. Not bad.
I think it's good. Yeah, I like the eye cream too. I would say it feels like a nice eye cream. Overall, it's not wow impressive.
Yeah, could be better.
It
That's
could have
just
been
my
better.
opinion.
Maybe you should start a skincare line.
I mean, if I did, man, I would go crazy. I would, But I feel like everyone made it seem like it was the worst skincare brand ever. It just seemed like the impression that everyone gave it was
I think it was more
bad.
the Walnut Scrub is what really threw people off.
If this was the first time I was getting into skincare, this is not a bad entryway. I do feel like there are other products that are much cheaper that are more effective, but you have to do extra research and buy multiple different brands.
True, yeah.
So if you want something easy, this is a nice way to just buy the entire kit. But surprise, she didn't launch a sunscreen. I would have at least the moisturizer should have a sunscreen, but I do know when it comes to sunscreens, it can take at least a year to two to get it approved with FDA products because of claims like SPF protection.
Maybe she will next. She said, it's probably in the card. It says that this is just the beginning. That is all we gotta say about Kylie Skin. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us try the skincare. And Michelle, hopefully we'll see you more on YouTube or anywhere. I know people miss you a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, bye. So I have her photo right here. And then I'm looking at myself to see what I need to change. Definitely need double eyelids like her, taller nose. And then you guys can see her upper lip is fuller than